You wake up in the morning, open your eyes, and for a brief moment the world feels slightly cloudy. Maybe it clears after blinking a few times. Maybe it doesn't. Many seniors quietly assume this is just getting older. But what if that early morning haze is your eyes asking for help before cataracts take hold? What if the very first thing you drink each morning could either speed up clouding or slow it down naturally? Here's something most people are never told. Cataracts don't suddenly appear one day. They begin silently years earlier as microscopic damage inside the eye lens. Oxidation, sugar imbalance, UV exposure, and nutrient depletion slowly cloud what was once crystal clear. By the time vision becomes noticeably blurry, the process has often been building for a decade or more. That's the bad news. The good news is this: the lens of the eye responds incredibly well to morning nutrition, especially liquids that deliver antioxidants fast, before daily damage begins. Think about it. Overnight, your eyes go hours without nourishment. Tear production slows, blood flow is reduced, waste products accumulate in delicate eye tissues. Morning is the most powerful window to flush, protect, and reinforce the lens before sunlight, screens, and inflammation start their daily assault. And certain drinks work far better than others. Today, you're going to discover 4 simple morning drinks that help protect against cataracts naturally. Drinks that many eye specialists quietly recommend but rarely explain clearly. These are not expensive supplements. They're not harsh detoxes. They are gentle, senior-friendly, and backed by real biological mechanisms inside the aging eye. Let's start with the first and most underestimated one. The first drink is freshly brewed green tea, taken warm in the morning, without sugar. Green tea has been studied for decades, but its direct relationship with cataract prevention is often overlooked. The lens of your eye is made mostly of water and proteins. Over time, oxidative stress causes those proteins to clump together, creating cloudiness. Green tea is rich in catechins, especially EGCG, powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals before they damage lens proteins. What makes green tea especially effective in the morning is absorption timing. When consumed on an empty or lightly fed stomach, its antioxidants enter the bloodstream quickly. From there, they cross into ocular fluids, including the aqueous humor that nourishes the lens. Studies have shown that people with higher intake of flavonoids, including those found in green tea, have a significantly lower risk of age-related cataracts. There's another benefit seniors appreciate. Green tea helps regulate blood sugar levels. Elevated blood sugar accelerates cataract formation by causing sugar molecules to bind to lens proteins, a process called glycation. This is why cataracts are more common and more aggressive in people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Drinking green tea in the morning gently improves insulin sensitivity, reducing that daily sugar damage to the eyes. But preparation matters. The water should be hot, not boiling. Steep the tea for about 3 minutes. Longer steeping can make it bitter and irritating to sensitive stomachs. 1 cup is enough. You don't need gallons. And avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners. They cancel out many of the protective benefits. If needed, a small squeeze of lemon can enhance antioxidant absorption and make it more pleasant. Many seniors notice something subtle but important after a few weeks of consistent morning green tea. Less eye fatigue by midday. Reduced glare sensitivity. Clearer contrast when reading or driving in the early afternoon. These are early signs that oxidative stress inside the lens is being reduced. Now here's something fascinating. Green tea also supports the tiny blood vessels that feed the retina and optic nerve. While cataracts affect the lens, eye health is interconnected. Better circulation means better delivery of oxygen and nutrients, helping the entire visual system age more slowly. This is why cultures with regular green tea consumption historically show lower rates of certain eye diseases. If you take medications, green tea is generally safe, but spacing it about 30 minutes after morning pills is wise. And if caffeine sensitivity is an issue, a lower caffeine or decaffeinated green tea still provides many protective compounds. The key is consistency. Cataracts don't form overnight, and they don't slow overnight either. But when green tea becomes a daily morning habit, it creates a protective baseline. It's like putting sunglasses on. Your eyes from the inside. And this is just the beginning. As we continue, it's important to understand one key truth about cataracts that many seniors never hear. Cataracts are not just about aging. They are about what the lens is exposed to every single day, light, inflammation, sugar, and nutrient shortages. And while the first morning drink helped neutralize oxidative stress, the next two drinks focus on something just as critical, rebuilding and nourishing the lens from the inside. Let's talk about the second morning drink that eye specialists quietly respect: carrot and orange juice, freshly prepared, taken early in the day. This isn't about sugary store-bought juice. This is about fresh carrots blended or juiced with a small amount of orange for taste and vitamin synergy. Carrots are one of the richest natural sources of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the clarity and strength of the eye lens and for protecting the surface of the eye from dryness and damage. As we age, our ability to convert beta-carotene into usable vitamin A declines. That's why morning intake matters. Digestive enzymes are more active earlier in the day, and fat-soluble nutrients like beta-carotene are absorbed more efficiently when metabolism is fresh. This gives the lens exactly what it needs before daily exposure to sunlight and screens begins. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining the structure of lens proteins. Without enough of it, those proteins become fragile and more prone to oxidation and clumping, the very process that leads to cataract clouding. Seniors who consume adequate vitamin A consistently tend to experience slower progression of lens opacity. The small addition of orange is not just for flavor. Oranges provide vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant shown in multiple studies to accumulate directly in the eye lens. In fact, the lens contains one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C in the entire body. Vitamin C helps regenerate other antioxidants and protects lens fibers from UV-induced damage. Taken together in the morning, carrot and orange juice becomes a protective shield. It hydrates the eyes after sleep, delivers antioxidant protection, and supports the natural repair processes that occur throughout the day. Many seniors report improved morning sharpness, less dryness, and better tolerance to bright light after making this drink a routine. And because it's gentle and natural, it's suitable even for those with sensitive digestion when consumed in moderate amounts. About one small glass is enough. Now let's move to the third morning drink, and this one surprises many people: warm turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, prepared in a light, senior-friendly way. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatory compounds in the world. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a hidden driver of cataract development. It damages lens fibers, disrupts antioxidant defenses, and accelerates aging of eye tissues. Curcumin works at the molecular level to calm these inflammatory pathways. When taken in the morning, curcumin helps set a lower inflammatory tone for the entire day. This matters because inflammation amplifies oxidative stress. By calming inflammation early, the lens is better protected from the cumulative damage that leads to cloudiness. To prepare this drink properly for seniors, use warm milk, dairy or plant-based like almond milk, and add a small pinch of turmeric powder. The key is to include a tiny amount of black pepper, which dramatically improves curcumin absorption. Without it, much of the benefit is lost. A drop of healthy fat such as coconut oil can further enhance absorption. Golden milk also supports blood circulation to the eyes. Better circulation means better delivery of nutrients and faster removal of waste products from delicate ocular tissues. Over time, this supports clearer vision and reduces eye strain. There's another benefit many seniors appreciate. Turmeric helps regulate blood sugar and reduce insulin resistance. As mentioned earlier, sugar damage is a major contributor to cataracts. By smoothing out blood sugar spikes in the morning, turmeric milk indirectly protects the lens from glycation damage. Some seniors worry about turmeric interacting with medications. In normal culinary amounts, it is generally safe. However, if you are on blood thinners, it's always wise to keep portions small and consistent and discuss it with your healthcare provider. What makes these morning drinks especially powerful is how they work together. Green tea reduces oxidative stress. Carrot and orange juice nourish and repair lens tissue. Turmeric milk calms inflammation and stabilizes internal chemistry. This layered approach mirrors how the eye actually ages, through multiple overlapping processes. At this point, you might be thinking, this sounds helpful, but is it really enough? And the answer is this. These drinks don't replace medical care, but they dramatically slow the conditions that make cataracts progress. Many seniors who adopt these habits early delay surgery for years or avoid it altogether, and there is still one more morning drink left, one that directly supports the proteins of the lens and protects against long-term clouding in a way most people have never considered. Now we come to the fourth and final morning drink, the one that directly supports the very proteins that keep your eye lens clear. This drink is simple, gentle, and especially powerful for seniors over 45. Warm water with soaked chia seeds and a squeeze of fresh lemon. At first glance, chia seeds may not seem like an eye health food, but when you understand what causes cataracts at the deepest level, their importance becomes clear. The lens of your eye is made up of tightly packed proteins, arranged in a precise pattern that allows light to pass through without scattering. Over time, dehydration, oxidative stress, and mineral imbalance cause those proteins to lose structure, leading to cloudiness. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based proteins, and trace minerals like zinc and magnesium. Omega-3s help maintain the flexibility and integrity of cell membranes in eye tissues. They also reduce inflammation and support tear production, which keeps the surface of the eye healthy and reduces internal stress. When chia seeds are soaked overnight, they form a gel-like texture. This makes them easier to digest and allows their nutrients to be absorbed gradually. Drinking them in warm water first thing in the morning gently rehydrates the body and the eyes after sleep. Proper hydration is often overlooked, but even mild dehydration increases oxidative stress inside the lens. The addition of lemon provides vitamin C, which, as mentioned earlier, concentrates directly in the lens. Lemon also stimulates digestion and helps the body absorb minerals more efficiently. Together, chia seeds and lemon create a morning drink that supports lens clarity from a structural level. Many seniors notice that after a few weeks of this drink, their eyes feel less gritty, less tired, and more comfortable throughout the day. Reading becomes easier. Morning stiffness in the eyes fades more quickly. These are subtle but meaningful signs of improved ocular hydration and reduced inflammation. Now let's talk about how to use all four drinks in a realistic senior-friendly routine. You do not need to drink all four every single morning. That would be overwhelming and unnecessary. Instead, rotate them through the week. For example, green tea can be your daily base drink, taken most mornings. Carrot and orange juice can be enjoyed 3 to 4 times a week. Turmeric milk works well 2 to 3 mornings a week, especially on days when joints feel stiff or blood sugar tends to run higher. Chia seed water can be taken several times a week, particularly on days when hydration and digestion need support. The key is consistency over time, not perfection. Cataracts form slowly, and they slow down slowly too. What matters is reducing daily damage and supporting daily repair. It's also important to avoid common morning habits that silently accelerate cataract formation. Drinking sugary coffee drinks, skipping hydration, and consuming refined carbohydrates first thing in the day all spike blood sugar and oxidative stress. Smoking and excessive alcohol intake further deplete antioxidants that protect the lens. Even prolonged exposure to bright sunlight without eye protection adds to cumulative damage. Small changes make a big difference. Wearing sunglasses outdoors, blinking consciously during screen use, taking short visual breaks. These habits, combined with the right morning drinks, create an environment where the eyes can age more gracefully. Now here's the reassurance many seniors need to hear. If you've already been told you have early cataracts, it does not mean your vision is doomed. Early-stage cataracts often remain stable for years when oxidative stress, inflammation, and sugar damage are reduced. Many people never progress to the point of needing surgery when they adopt supportive habits early. And if surgery is ever needed, healthier eyes recover better. The goal is not fear, it's empowerment. Your eyes respond to care at any age. Before we close, let me ask you something. What if, instead of worrying about vision loss, you felt confident that each morning you were actively protecting your sight? What if your daily routine became a quiet form of insurance for your eyes? That's what these drinks offer. Not miracles, not hype, just steady, natural support that works with your body, not against it. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Senior Health Today. Every week, we share simple, science-backed ways to protect vision, memory, and independence as you age. And if you know someone who squints more than they used to, who avoids night driving or who worries about cataracts, share this video with them. Sometimes the most powerful. Help is knowledge given at the right time. Your eyes have served you for decades. With the right morning choices, they can continue to serve you clearly for years to come.